A quick review on the American Standard Gold 824 Smart Thermostat, also known as the ACONT 824. Very high-end thermostat, costs you somewhere between $300 and $400. Previously, I was running a Goodman heat pump with a Honeywell thermostat. Whatever the thermostat was set on, that's what the room temperature was. The pros and cons on this thermostat: the pros, it's a upscale display, has a good interface, easy to program from the thermostat or the app. It does have a fan speed control if your air handler has that. Most likely this thermostat will save you money. The cons is there's a wide temperature difference. The calibration was 3 degrees off, and sometimes this thermostat will run it up a degree or two above the temperature, or let it fall a degree under the temperature. If you are setting your thermostat back at night and you're bringing it up on heat in the morning, the unit will take an hour and a half to bring it back, because it's a program in it that does not want to bring in the heat strips to bring up the temperature. So if you can withstand the swings in the temperature on this and other issues, it will save you money, but there might be another one out there that's quite a bit cheaper than this one. Thank you.